Mana is the cryptographic money on Decentraland, world's very first metaverse based on Ethereum. It is a computer-generated experience where you can redo your appearance, investigate and purchase property and land. There are likewise squares, workmanship galleries, and incalculable territories to investigate for quite a long time. The connection point is likewise very instinctive, so even youngsters can try it out. It is like a computer game with the special case that it utilizes genuine cash and requires a viable crypto wallet to use ETH-based dApps. Decentraland's underlying coin offering accomplished its objective in only 60 minutes, raising almost €22 million. Today, Mana is involved inside the stage for adjustable units like wearables, covers, or a custom name which are accessible on the site's commercial center. Mana coin is addressed on trades like Binance, OKX, and Huobi worldwide. Computer-generated reality is as yet an innovation being developed, and it is energizing to contemplate its development potential in the event that it chooses to remain closely connected with the blockchain innovation. The Mana Group is extremely able and shows an unmistakable tendency towards decentralized conditions, which is without a doubt a significant highlight of its turn of events. Mana, as well as Decentraland, are pioneers and trailblazers in the new universe of virtual crypto reality. The thought was fresh out of the box, new at the time, which makes Mana engineers trailblazers in this field. It seems like beneficial things generally come from Ethereum, which rouses trust in store for Mana. It is likewise a decent beginning stage for learners in the field of digital currencies, as well with respect to computerized makers and financial backers in computerized content. Notwithstanding the way that 100% precise specialized examination for Decentraland digital money is not really imaginable, on this exceptional specialized investigation apparatus by TradingView you can see the continuous amassed Mana trade rating for chose time period. The synopsis for Mana/USD depends on the most well-known specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Decentraland value expectation for 2022. As of Decentraland cost expectations until the end of 2022, there are disparate sentiments. Expects an upswing towards $1.117754, and reverberations with $1.300356 continuously end. Different specialists, for instance, are more negative about Decentraland's future cost, referring to numbers downwards of $0.253728 in December. Decentraland value expectation for 2023. In 2023, Decentraland financial backers ought to anticipate that cost development should $1.332072, which appears to be a valid justification to think about Decentraland as a venture choice. Thus, predicts the cost expanding to $0.932995, and concurs with an anticipated development to $1.117989. Decentraland value expectation for 2024. Decentraland cost expectations for 2024 are still dominatingly negative, for certain experts promising costs in the $0.126864 $0.705681 territory, while takes an alternate view and refers to the chance of the cost coming to $1.407259 in December 2024. Decentraland value expectation for 2025. Has just positive thinking coming up for the 2025 Decentraland cost expectation, esteeming Decentraland at $1.546155 toward the finish of 2025. Concurs with a positive figure and predicts, thus, $1.714292 for a similar period. Then again, group is more negative. Their Decentraland cost expectation for December of this current year is simply $0.348876. Decentraland value expectation for 2030. Talking about long-haul Decentraland cost expectations for 2030, specialists present two polar suppositions. Communicates the view that Decentraland cost will not become further and, oppositely, will decline to $0.565716. Cost expectation for Decentraland reverberations with the projection of a downtrend to $0.07929. Regardless of this, vision stays positive, promising development up to $1.458936. What is Decentraland, MANA? Decentraland, MANA, characterizes itself as a computer-generated simulation stage fueled by the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to make, insight, and adapt content and applications. In this virtual world, clients buy plots of land that they can later explore, expand upon and adapt. Decentraland was sent off following a $24 million beginning coin offering, ICO, that was led in 2017. The virtual world sent off its shut beta in 2019 and opened to general society in February 2020. From that point forward, clients have made a large number of encounters on their bundles of land, including intelligent games, rambling 3D scenes and various other intuitive encounters. Decentraland utilizes two tokens, Mana and Land. Mana is an ERC20 symbolic that should be synced to get non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. Mana tokens can likewise be utilized to pay for a scope of symbols, wearables, names, and more on the Decentraland Commercial Center. Decentraland, MANA, is a decentralized virtual world stage with programming in view of the Ethereum blockchain, where clients make, test and adapt content. In short, clients purchase virtual plots of land as NFTs with Mana tokens on the Decentraland stage. Progress in the game relies just upon players themselves, their endeavors and their creative mind. The advanced stage is totally possessed by its clients. Inside the Decentraland metaverse, members can investigate the virtual world, buy plots of land that can be adapted, make showstoppers, own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and participate in a decentralized independent association of the stage Decentraland DAO. Because of the DAO, the local area impacts the advancement vector of the venture. Likewise, clients approach intelligent applications, in-world installments and distributed correspondence. The 3D world resounds with numerous members as Decentraland has numerous applications, both amusement for gamers and business for financial backers. Two sorts of tokens called Mana and Land administer tasks in Decentraland. They additionally permit clients to collaborate with the stage. Mana is the authority money of Decentraland. An ERC20 standard symbolic powers the Decentraland stage. With Mana, clients can buy plots of land, as well as pay for in-game things and administrations. Mana gives its holders the option to cast a ballot in Decentraland DAO. Mana can be bought on a digital currency